Welcome back to Code 2 Car, the channel where we bring you daily updates and in-depth reviews of the latest cars shaping the future of driving. Today, we're looking at something very special, something that has been long awaited by car enthusiasts all over the world. A legend is making its return, and it's coming back stronger, sleeker, and more advanced than ever. Yes, Honda has brought back the iconic S2000 for 2026, and this car is shaping up to be one of the most exciting sports cars of the new generation. If you love performance, design, and value all wrapped into one machine, stay tuned because this is going to be an in-depth dive into the reborn Honda S2000. The original Honda S2000 became a cult classic because it offered pure driving pleasure. Lightweight, perfectly balanced, with a screaming high-revving engine, it became the dream car of enthusiasts who wanted performance without breaking the bank. The 2026 S2000 is not just a revival of that spirit, it's a reinvention for the modern age. Honda has carefully designed this car to honor its legacy while embracing the latest in technology, efficiency, and design. From the outside, the new S2000 immediately grabs your attention. It has that low-slung, aggressive stance that makes it clear this is a driver's car. The long hood and short rear deck pay tribute to the classic Roadster design, while sharp LED headlights and a sculpted front bumper give it a futuristic touch. The bodywork is aerodynamic yet muscular, with curves in all the right places and sharp character lines that emphasize speed even at a standstill. Around the back, slim LED taillights and a sculpted diffuser give it a modern edge, while the dual exhausts remind you that this is a serious performance machine. It's a car that looks just as good parked at a cafe as it does tearing down a mountain road. Step inside, and Honda has balanced modern technology with the purest spirit of the original. The cabin is driver-focused, with everything angled toward the person behind the wheel. There's a fully digital instrument cluster that changes themes based on drive mode, giving you performance-focused information when you want it. The center console is simple and clean, housing a touchscreen with the latest Honda infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even performance telemetry for those who want to track lap times and driving stats. The seats are sporty, with deep bolstering to keep you secure during spirited drives, yet comfortable enough for longer journeys. But let's talk about the heart of the S2000. Under the hood, Honda has brought back what fans wanted most, a high-revving engine. The 2026 S2000 comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, derived from Honda's racing experience. It produces well over 320 horsepower, and while the turbo provides strong low-end torque, the magic is still at the top of the rev range, where the engine screams all the way past 8,000 RPM. That sound, that sensation of pushing the car higher and higher, is what made the original S2000 so beloved, and Honda has found a way to bring that feeling back. For those who care about the driving experience, the 2026 S2000 offers a 6-speed manual transmission. Yes, Honda has kept the manual alive, and it's paired with a short-throw shifter that feels mechanical, precise, and deeply satisfying. For those who prefer convenience, there's also an advanced dual-clutch automatic, but the purists will no doubt flock to the manual. Power is sent to the rear wheels, as it should be in a true Roadster, and Honda has engineered a perfectly balanced chassis with near 50/50 weight distribution. That means incredible handling, razor-sharp steering, and the kind of driving dynamics that make every corner an event. The suspension has been tuned to strike a balance between track-capable performance and real-world comfort. Adaptive dampers adjust automatically depending on the drive mode, so you can have a smooth ride for city cruising and a tight, responsive setup when you hit the twisty backroads. Add to that lightweight construction and Honda's focus on reducing unnecessary bulk, and you get a car that feels agile, responsive, and alive in your hands. Honda has also made sure the S2000 is equipped with modern safety and driver assist features. It comes with Honda sensing technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and blind spot monitoring. While it's a pure driver's car at its core, these features make it safer and more practical for everyday use, meaning you can drive it with confidence whether you're commuting or heading out for a weekend blast. Now let's talk about finance and value. One of the biggest reasons the original S2000 became such a hit was its price-to-performance ratio. It offered the thrills of much more expensive sports cars at a fraction of the cost. Honda seems to be following the same philosophy with the 2026 model. With a starting price expected around $45,000 to $50,000, it undercuts many competitors while offering performance that rivals cars in much higher price brackets. That makes it not only an exciting sports car but also a smart financial decision for those who want a car that holds its value. Honda vehicles, especially iconic models like the S2000, have strong resale value. This is not a car that depreciates quickly because enthusiasts know its worth. Owning one means you're putting your money into something that can bring joy and still retain value over time. For those who think about finance strategies, the S2000 can be seen not just as a passion purchase but as a calculated one. With the rise of collectible modern sports cars, there's a strong chance the new S2000 could become a future classic, meaning that buying one now could actually be an investment for tomorrow. Beyond resale value, the car's hybrid-like fuel efficiency from its turbocharged engine means lower running costs compared to bigger V6 or V8 sports cars. That gives you the performance you want without breaking the bank every time you fuel up. Combine that with Honda's legendary reliability and lower maintenance costs, and you have a sports car that doesn't punish you financially. It's fun, it's thrilling, and it's practical in ways that most sports cars aren't. Driving the S2000 is where the magic happens. The way it handles corners, the way the engine revs freely, the connection you feel through the steering wheel, all of it comes together to make driving a true experience. This isn't just transportation. It's passion, it's freedom, it's that feeling of being one with the machine. That's what made the original S2000 so loved, and that's why the 2026 version is destined to be just as iconic. The rebirth of the Honda S2000 isn't just about nostalgia. It's about proving that in a world of crossovers and electric SUVs, there's still room for a lightweight, driver-focused roadster. Honda has delivered a car that honors its past while embracing the future, and in doing so, it has given enthusiasts a reason to celebrate. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Honda S2000 the return to form that sports car fans have been waiting for? Does it strike the right balance between performance, value, and modern features? Let us know in the comments below. That wraps up today's in-depth look at the 2026 Honda S2000. Thank you for watching Code 2 Car, where we bring you daily updates on the cars that matter most. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit like, subscribe to Code 2 Car, and ring the bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. We'll be back soon with more exciting automotive content, but until then, drive safe, drive smart, and always keep your passion for cars alive.